Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to stop Windows 11 or 10 from installing drivers automatically. What you can do is go on your Windows icon, right click, go on run, make sure you type in this gpedit.msc, then click on OK. When this opens, you have to follow this. Go under computer configuration and go under administrative template. Under here, then you need to go on system. Under system, look for internet communication. Here, you have to search for turn off Windows Update device driver searching. Double click this. Make sure it is enabled. Click on enabled, then apply, then OK. After this, then you have to scroll down to Windows Components. Right over here. Under Windows Components, go under Windows Update. Right over here. Under Update, go under this one. Manage updates offered from Windows Update. Once you go here, you have to select to not include drivers with Windows Update. Double click that, then make sure it's enabled. Click on apply and OK. And you're done.